Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about, I think from the thumbnail you guys already know about the topic, like I'll be talking about Devin AI. So I'll put this link to the description box. This is a documentation link, and from this link you will request for the access. So let's see. You have to click on this button, request access, then you will put the email address, this one, and the reason for which you want access, like I'll be using for coding. That's it. And if you want to put more links, like LinkedIn account link or Twitter link, you can also put that. But for this video, I'll be only using my email address and do a request access. Okay. So it will show you some this kind of pop-up like thank you for interest in Devin AI. So people are saying like how is Devin AI will replace software engineer. You see, they are saying Devin AI is a tool which is developed by Cognition Labs, and they are saying like this is the fully autonomous software engineer tool, right? It will enhance the productivity of an individual software engineer so that they can focus on more complex problems, right? This is what they're saying. But this is not the first time we are encountered this kind of AI tool. Previously, we have also encountered such AI tools like ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot. If you see the interface of Devin AI, this is almost similar to the ChatGPT, right? Maybe it will contain more features or more technical tool. I don't know. Maybe it will be like this only. So I think there is nothing about being scared. This is just an assistant system tool. But there is only one question arise like this Devin AI create a huge hype in engineers' mind, right? But the thing is that for others AI tool, the marketing strategy they are using, it's a little bit lower than the Devin AI. In Devin AI, they have I think they have invested a huge money for marketing purpose. They have done a huge marketing through Instagram, through LinkedIn, from everywhere, I think. And that is the reason it is successfully able to create a space on engineers' brain. That's it. I don't think nothing more than this will I think this is like similar like some other AI tool. I'm not sure. This is just an assumption. But let's see what happened in the future. Now let's check out some documentation of Devin AI. This is the official website of Devin AI. Now let's see. So if you want, you can run this video. There, this guy have described all the tools, all the necessary tools. I mean, all the things which will be helpful for developing any little or small application by using Devin.ai. So if you want, you can see this whole video. Like they have some chat box. This is similar as like ChatGPT, and they're developing this ENV box, this in ENV environment variable, and this whole thing. And at the end of the video, we will see that they are able to create one graphical representation of any website. So there are many more videos. If you want to check out those videos, you can definitely check out those videos. But for that, if you want to implement these things in your code base, for that you have to wait for the access. Once they approve your access, then you will definitely wait to use it. In this video, till this only. In the next video, I'll be come up with some more technical updates. Thank you guys.